Avenue. Adding a page with contact information. At the top of the course homepage, click on the Edit Mode toggle button in the upper right corner of the screen to activate the editing tools. The toggle moves to the right, indicating that course editing is now on. Hover your cursor over the dotted line between two activities or resources. The Add an Activity or Resource button, or plus icon, appears. Click on this icon. In the menu that appears, choose Add an Activity or Resource. The Add an Activity or Resource pop-up appears. Click on the Page icon. In the General section, enter a descriptive page name. Enter a page description. In the Content section, enter text, images, and whatever else you require. You can include your name, an email address, a phone number, and any other information that you are comfortable sharing. Please note, using the Page tool gives teachers access to the text editor. The default editor on Avenue is TinyMCE. This editor allows a great deal of flexibility in creating documents that can be positioned in all courses. The editing features of the page resources are shown here. To see more editing tools, click on the Reveal or Hide Additional Toolbar Items icon. More icons appear. Several tools are available on the TinyMCE menu bar. In the Appearance section, choose to display the page description and the last modified date to students. Click the Save and Return to Course button. Ensure Course Edit mode is enabled, then move the page to its location on the course main page. Click on the page's Edit icon. In the drop-down, click on the Move icon. Click on the activity or resource name under which you want the page to appear. The page moves to the new location. If you would like to move the page to the right, click on the Edit menu icon again. In the menu that opens, select Move Right. The page moves to the right.